Can you really own physical gold in a retirement account? The answer is yes. With a gold IRA, you can hold actual, tangible gold, coins or bars, inside your retirement plan. It's stored safely in an IRS-approved depository, so you don't have to worry about keeping it at home. And the best part? It's tax advantage just like a regular IRA. You get the stability of owning gold, plus the benefits of a retirement account. Want to know how to add physical gold to your portfolio? Visit the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com for more information. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.